Bluecore is a marketing technology firm that's been around for 8.5 years. We help major retail brands find their best customers and keep them for life. One of the most critical things about data security is knowing what you have. You need to know where it is, you need to know how long you've had it, you need to know how well it's protected. All of these things are things that Veza helps me do. As a marketing technology firm, we host a fair amount of customer and shopper data for our clients, and we need to keep all of that safe. With the advent of privacy regulations such as GDPR and CCPA, it's increasingly important that we keep all of that stuff safe and know exactly what we're in possession of at all times. Bluecore is a cloud-native organization, entirely in Google Cloud, and has been since day one. One of our primary uses of Veza's technology at Bluecore is to manage the security of our Google BigQuery data stores. It's nice to see that Veza took Google very seriously from the get-go. In a fast-growing cloud-native environment, it's challenging to keep reins and perimeters around all of the various data stores that might be spun up in the cloud. As a result, you need tools that can really identify where all those data stores are, what's in those data stores, how long you've had them, and who has access to them. I like that Veza is completely a cloud solution, calls me via API. I didn't have to stand anything up in my environment. That's fantastic. Not all APIs are created equal. Vezas are strong, they do what I need them to do. A lot of the technologies that I've looked at are very project or account specific, and that makes it very difficult to get a big picture view of the identity management and effective permissions that our users have. What I like about Veza is that I'm able to pick a bunch of users and say, what do these users have access to? And path that all the way through the Google infrastructure and identity management processes to say, this is the stuff those users have access to in BigQuery. But I can also flip it the other way around and say, here's a piece of data in BigQuery. Show me who has access to that. I personally set up the Veza integration within our organization, and I did it end-to-end in about 20 to 30 minutes. That's a win. It's so much easier for us to double check and validate things like offboarding employees, because I can go to one console and say, does this person have access to anything within our environment, either on the corporate side or on the production side? And it'll tell me within seconds. That's a huge time saver and also a massive security boon, because I can be sure that that access has been cut off. Let's face it, identity management is a key piece of all information security programs, and Veza is really my main tool in assessing, analyzing, and keeping it hygienic.